Senthil. Senthil.
Sini.
Hmm.
So some error coming. Let me
Okay.
share my screen. Can you?
I changed the permission to
So,
everyone.
okay, so a little change this code.
Hmm.
I'm trying to use extract control Z. Copy this one. Okay, this is the content. So I changed it. So running error like the file C
It's okay.
does not
Does not
exist.
exist. Okay. Just a second. Okay, copy this error. Copy this error and paste it in ChatGPT. Just wait for a second and I'll just get the code.
Mm.
Okay. So what is the alternate they are telling?
Possible alternate location to check.
Okay, possible alternative check. I mean, what is the suggestion by ChatGPT? I
Yeah,
think.
same
The
thing.
cloud.
Hmm.
Move the zip file to a simpler directory and try again.
Oh, okay. Simpler directory. Maybe it is trying to extract and put it in the same. Maybe which location are you? I mean, is it full? That location is having enough space.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
It
Having
is
good.
there, right?
I put it in the desktop only,
No,
but
don't put it in
what
desktop.
else?
No, don't put it in
Okay.
desktop. Okay, change it to some other path.
I will put it here.
Yeah, C drive or C colon or D colon, whatever it is. Put it in the proper drive and then try again.
Yeah.
No, Srinivas, it is also not working.
Let's
I
see. Let's see.
changed. Mm.
Okay. It has
Okay,
its
let me
there is no, I don't.
copy as path. Same error. The file C user and desktop AML tools. The zip
No, copy only
segment
this
does
error.
not exist.
Okay. Copy this error. Maybe, while changing something and some permission issue or something, and I can see, copy this error and ask GPT, what is this error means? Copy selection.
Copy cell, right?
Selection or cell. Let's see.
Oh, control is it. Select cell. Oh, cell, it is going like that.
Copy selection.
Selection means it is going the complete thing. Copy selection. Okay, let me try. Mhm.
Just enter.
What should I ask?
Enter. Enter. It will guide you. The zip file is actually located in a subdirectory called AA and NML on your desktop. Let me provide an updated script that will handle this.
Can I copy this one? Copy
Yes.
this.
Copy and try.
So these are all changes. CNN part 2. No matching zip file. Could not locate zip file. Please verify its location.
I think there is some issue in your
Desktop path.
okay. Do you provide? Okay, I think they are giving us all the possible scenarios. You see that search patterns in desktop. It is trying to search convolution neural network dot zip, CNN dot zip, part2 dot zip, but still the name is not identified. So go to that desktop and what is
It is. I changed the location
uh-huh.
as it suggested to the simpler location. So they provided the user slash Saichan Satyavarapu slash the file name. I changed the file to that particular location also and executed. Still the same. It is
This is
not
the location, Srini. I kept it inside that this one AML folder.
Okay.
Under this only I kept this zip file.
Okay.
Now I think
Still,
checked.
Um, just a second. Maybe let's try to.
no matching zip file is found. So this pattern it is checking, but it is not coming.
Be online. Okay, just try this code because this is how where I can. Okay. First step I have shared in WhatsApp, Sandil.
Can you share it in here chat box? This box.
Oh, gosh. This is the first step. Okay.
Upload zip file. Upload files. Upload.
This is the one. Let us try with the different options. Okay. This will open a file selection dialog where we can choose zip file to upload after uploading. Okay. Intro. Then this is the second one.
The screen is stuck, Senthil.
Oh, really? Can you share? Can you see this?
Some blocks are blocking actually. It's completely not visible.
And this is the third one. So there are three steps. This is one method. There is one more method. Maybe you can put it in a drive itself. From the Google Drive itself, you will be able to read directly from the Google Drive. Okay, I'll also share.
Curricular. Perfect.
You have pasted 3 pieces of code. All we have to copy and paste.
Go one by one.
Okay, upload zip files.
This one and then import. First upload. Remove this entire thing. First upload. From
Copy this one.
copy the first block.
Okay.
Run it.
From Google import files.
Run. Okay.
Okay.
Second block of code copy. And in that, you have to give the path.
Let me copy this. Let's see. Import zip file. Your zip file name. Your
Yeah.
file.
Yes.
Zip.
You have
Okay.
to give,
It's not path. It's not path. It's only the file name.
the file. Yes.
Correct.
Only file name you have to give here.
So here. Let's see. Okay. And extract path. The path to extract the zip file. Okay, I can
Yeah,
copy
you
this
have
path.
to change. Yeah, you have to give the right information.
This one.
Yeah.
Extract path, right?
Where you wanted to extract the information.
Obvious path to get this. Sure.
So input path is not required, no? Where file is located.
Let's see. Let's check.
Extract path.
Still the error. No such file directory.
Hmm.
Let me
Path.
read the file.
With the zip files or a zip reference. File name. There is a syntax error for extract path.
Extract path.
Syntax error.
Unicode error. Unicode escape. Can't decode bytes in position. It's truncated. Something is happening. I don't know why it is.
Syntax error.
Let me try with some other zip file.
Fix error.
Just give the tick mark.
Where to this one now? Okay.
This one. Yes, yes. Run it. Still the same.
Yeah.
File not
Zip file name.
the contents. Okay. Come down. Yeah, fix explain error. Yes. We'll try until we fix this. No issues. Okay. So don't get tensed because you are getting error. Then only we'll be able to learn more. Simple.
Error file not found error.
No such file or directory.
Indicates Python script is unable to locate the specified zip file for tokenization in the current working directory. This is likely happening because file was uploaded using Google Colab Files upload, which stored the file temporarily in Colab's runtime environment.
Okay. The subsequent
script attempts to access it using a local file path. Okay, which is not where the uploaded file resides. Therefore, script is looking for file in a location that does not exist, leading to file not found error.
What is the suggested
changes?
Come
Okay, file upload, list zip file upload keys.
Okay, don't change the extract path. Okay, just give as it is content and create. Just copy the entire code. Don't do anything.
This one, this one, huh?
Yeah, this one.
Suggested changes, huh?
Copy.
Copy.
Just leave. Just leave this. Leave this, and next you can just create one more block. Create a code block. Create one more code block. Paste it. Run this. Upload. Just to see whether okay. Run it. Zip file name. Give the name of the uploaded file. Assuming only one file is uploaded. Okay, fine. Just run it. Let's see whether it is trying to find out. Locate the file at least.
I think it is working.
Choose file. Yes, choose files. Now choose files.
This one, right?
Yeah, this one. Now you are uploading. Open. You have given right? No.
Open. I click it.
No, zip file. Zip file. Give the zip file first. Where is the zip file? Choose file.
Choose file.
Where is the compressed file?
This is the compressed one, Sini.
No,
No, it is
something.
not a compressed one.
See, mentor. Okay. This one.
See that.
Open.
It is extracting now. Done. I think 0%
Okay.
done. It is just doing all the uncompress, unzip. It is doing.
Okay.
Then
Can you
everything
paste
is
the code?
taken care.
It's the same piece of code you copied and pasted.
This one I suggested changes given. So that piece of code I copied. It is starting extracting Sini 1%.
Yeah, it will take time, and also epoch it will take time. So almost 30 to 40 minutes it will take the epoch.
To extract that.
No, the last step. The last
Okay.
this, and also this is 8,000, more than 8,000 files over there. So it will take more time because of your internet, and let it be. Don't worry. Okay, just run it, and other things are very, very, we have already discussed. So let it run. Okay, and you can just send this code to Sai as well, so that he can also run side by side. Meanwhile, we will discuss about the next part of our course element, so that we'll finish off. We'll cover everything, whatever we are planning to.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. That's cool.
So I sent the code.
Just you can just disconnect from the sharing, live sharing.
Okay.
It is uploading the files now. I also got the same piece of code from this place.
Okay.
But what difference we did here, I did not understand.
And for that, you have to read that information very carefully. What is it suggesting? It is what they have done.
CNN.zip.
The temporary file which you are trying, it is trying to open and keep it in temporary storage. Once you extract the information, it is gone somewhere, or it is just deleted automatically. Okay. It is trying to store it in cloud storage, but it could not be. That is the problem. Okay. And you have to give as it is, like, first it will create the content and then the / extracted files. If you would have given the same kind of information, then it will store and it will keep the information as well. But we changed because we thought that, we assume that we have to give our own path. No. It is trying to extract it, because that is why they are giving you space, right? That is why we are using Google Colab, because they are giving 100 GB space. Within that 100 GB space, it is trying to save it in that cloud environment itself, not in your physical directory. So it is extracting information within their cloud information only. There are multiple reasons for this, because whoever is doing the project, you have to keep the information with, for the Google also. That is the trick. Okay. So Google will be getting a lot of information, and they will be doing a lot of things, after that. So we don't know. So that is why, we have to be very, very careful while doing the training process. If we are doing for our own training methodology, and we need to keep our own cloud storage. Okay. Right. Next is we are going to see an important information about
is it recording, Sini?
It is recorded. I think so.
Okay.
Let me double check. Yeah, it is recorded. Okay. This is in convolutional neural network, and after completing this CNN, we have to, we are going to work on natural language processing, that is called NLP. Okay. Instead of just reading the theory about NLP, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to introduce a library, which is, while explaining this library, we will be getting to know about what is natural language processing all about, and how the structure of, or how the architecture is working in any NLP space, so that it will be really useful for us. Okay, right. So the most important library for NLP, it's a spaCy. Uh, spaCy is an, before a ChatGPT comes into place, right? spaCy was one of the most important library every company they will be using for the chatbots. Okay. For chatbots, there are so many, a few years back, maybe, before the the revolution or the evolution of ChatGPT, the large language models. Before that, spaCy was very common. You'll be able to see, you'd have seen a lot of chatbots at that time. Every website they'll be using fixed, the questionnaire, so that, people will ask questions, and they will be attracting towards the key scenarios, and then it will be able to give you information with respect to the question. And all because of, the one library called spaCy. So we'll start with what is spaCy, and so on. Okay. So whether you are new to spaCy or just wanted to brush up on, some NLP basics and implementation details, this page, should have you, covered all the basic of NLP, and also the basics of this library. Just 1 minute.
Yours is also taking time, Senthil, to upload.
Yes. Now it is went to some 10%.
Oh,
9%
okay.
it is showing for.
So here, okay. So this spaCy, it is an interesting library altogether. And what is there in this spaCy, right? Right. So this page, yeah, each section will explain the advanced information about this thing. What is spaCy all about? So while we are getting to know about this library, we are also getting to know about NLP. So that is the beauty of this session. A spaCy is a free open source library for advanced natural language processing in Python. If you are working with a lot of text, you will eventually want to know more about it, right? So what do words mean? How the context, who is doing what to whom, what companies and products that is mentioned. spaCy is specially, designed specifically for production use, and helps you build applications that process and understand large volumes of text. So it can be used to build information extraction or natural language understanding systems, or to pre-process text for deep learning. Okay. So now, if you open up each and every information about spaCy, you will get to know so many information. And first of all, what you have to understand, this is a free open source library. Okay. What spaCy isn't? spaCy is not a platform or an API. But using spaCy library, we will be able to create API. That is why this module will be there. This menu is there. Okay. So don't get confused about this statement. Okay. spaCy is not a platform. What are they trying to mean? Unlike a platform, spaCy does not provide a software as a service. So it is not a product. Okay. SaaS means, I mean, software as a service means it is a kind of a service. The software is giving the service for the client. No, it is not a SaaS product. That is what they are trying to say. And also it is not a web application or a mobile application. It's an open source library designed to help you build NLP application using spaCy. So it is not a consumable service or a platform. You have to be clear on this. Second point, spaCy is not an out-of-the-box chatbot engine. Like ChatGPT, it is not an out-of-box thinking, right? It is not a chatbot engine. While spaCy can be used to power conversational applications, it's not designed specifically for chatbots, right? And only provides the underlying text processing capabilities. Wherever you are going for translation, machine translation, right? Converting one language into another language, there spaCy playing a major vital role. The third thing is spaCy is not research software. So it's built on the latest research, but it is designed to get things done. So this leads to fairly different design decisions than NLTK. NLTK, it is one of the natural language toolkit. NLTK is nothing but natural language toolkit. So it is available on Google Colab itself. That is also a language processing, NLP tool. But spaCy is more advanced with respect to NLTK toolkit. Okay, so which were created as a platforms for teaching and research. So the main difference is that spaCy is integrated and opinionated. You can give opinion, you can do a lot of whatever you want, and do a lot of applications using spaCy library. So it tries to avoid asking the user to choose between multiple algorithms that deliver equivalent functionality. So keeping the menu small, let spaCy deliver generally better performance and developer experience. Okay, so spaCy is not a company and it is an open source library. Okay, so their company is publishing spaCy and other software is called as Explosion. So from Explosion, spaCy is a library they are giving for free of cost, and that is why it is an open source. Okay, now we are exploring what are all the features which spaCy is giving. Similar way, the NLP is working. If you understand spaCy very well, that is called NLP. That's it. And advanced NLP also you are getting to learn. Right. What is tokenization? Segmenting text into words, punctuation marks, etc. Okay. Tokenization. Okay. Just to get the things as it is, we'll be seeing along with the example after this table. Next is part of speech, that is POS, assigning word types to tokens like verb or noun. Dependency parsing, assigning syntactic dependency labels describing the relations between individual tokens like a subject or object. Lemmatization, assigning the base forms of the words. Okay. For example, the lemma of was is be. That means in your terminology, in your clinical terminology, there is a dictionary, right? I forgot that dictionary. What is that? Okay, if you are saying headache, mostly the headache is a very low level term, but the root word or root hierarchy would be central nervous system, right? Medra, yes. Like Medra, this lemmatization. Like English word dictionary, this is here we are using and used to call this as a lemmatization. So okay, so I will describe. So I want that surprise element should keep you engaged. Okay, so lemma of was is B and is also B. Okay, that is how the grammar works. And the lemma of rats is rat. Very simple word, rat. Rats is a plural. Okay, so the first one is tokenization. Second one is part of speech tagging, whether it is a verb or noun. Dependency parsing, that means assigning syntactic dependency labels describing the relations between individual tokens like subject or object. It is always trying to know what is the dependency. Okay, and then the lemmatization, the root word, root word or root dictionary words. It is trying to understand. That is called lemmatization. Next, sentence boundary detection, SBD. Finding and segmenting individual sentences. Named entity recognition. This is NER. Labeling named real world objects like persons, companies, or locations. Right? Okay. Just type it in your Google search engine, Apple. I think we already discussed too many times. Maybe, this is the first time. Just type the word Apple, okay, in your Google search engine. Apple will always refers to a company. In an internet world, okay,